Today, we're discussing Intel's shift in strategy in the AI market. Intel has decided not to compete directly with Nvidia, instead focusing on cost-effective AI solutions with its new Gaudi 3 offerings. Intel's Gaudi 3 AI GPUs promise industry-leading performance per dollar value, but won't challenge Nvidia's dominance. Intel has realized that competing in the compute power race isn't sustainable and is now targeting a relatively untapped segment: cost-efficient AI accelerators. Intel is positioning Gaudi 3 as a valuable offering with exceptional price-to-performance ratios. While Gaudi may not match Nvidia's latest GPU in terms of raw performance, it excels in enabling economical systems for task-based models and open-source models. Intel claims Gaudi 3 offers performance comparable to Nvidia's H100 AI accelerator in inferencing workloads, particularly with the rise of reasoning-focused LLM models. The Gaudi 3 AI accelerator provides 80% better performance per dollar value compared to Nvidia's H100 and 2x better performance per dollar when benchmarking at Llama 2. Intel introduced the Gaudi 3 AI accelerator at the Intel Vision event in April 2024, targeting the enterprise generative AI market. The firm pitches Gaudi 3 as the ideal solution for small-scale startups and individuals seeking affordable AI computing power. However, in floating-point operations, Gaudi 3 AI GPUs fall short of Nvidia's alternatives, indicating Intel isn't prioritizing hardcore AI performance. Intel acknowledges it can't compete with Nvidia in hardware dominance and isn't targeting mainstream market demand. Instead, Intel believes smaller LLM models will gain traction once the AI frenzy fades. The company is focusing on its strengths, solving specific problems, and engaging with customers. The bet is that the market will open up, and more people will build their own inferencing solutions. Gaudi 3 has seen decent adoption from industry players like IBM Cloud, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, and Dell. While Intel's AI bets haven't paid off, Gaudi 3 is gaining traction. It will be interesting to see how Intel's AI strategy unfolds, especially given the company's financial situation. Intel desperately needs a lifeline, and Gaudi 3 might be it. For more updates on Intel and AI technology, stay tuned to our channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.